Hi guys, I'm Ollie, and today we'll be navigating through setting up your monitor to unlock your intercom devices using the Config on Cloud option. We're going to be demonstrating this on the Akuvox X562 answering panel. First off, to use this setting, you'll need to ensure all your devices are online and on the Akuvox Cloud. Next, you'll want to log into your indoor monitor through the web interface. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your device, and then on the left side, Relay. Once you're on the Relay page, you'll want to navigate to Softkey in the Talking page. Now, you'll disable Key 2 and Key 3, and then change the display name on Key 1 to Unlock. Once you've done that, change the type to Config on Cloud. Now, you'll want to repeat these steps on Softkey in Cool Preview page. Finally, let's apply those settings to the Softkey in Monitor page. Once you're happy with these settings, click Submit and then test your indoor monitor unlock buttons.
Welcome. Please come in.
And that's all. For more tech support, check out our website or click here for a link to our CIE Akuvox playlist.